Here you can see your materials needed. You're provided with 6 pieces of foam, each individually cut to fit your case. The lining for the base of the unit is shown on the top left, for the lid on the top right. Then your sidewall liners are on the bottom left, and your front and back liners on the bottom right. You will not be provided with the spray adhesive. We recommend 3M Spray 90, which is widely available at many hardware stores. You'll also need a razor blade to notch the foam. Start by taking your front and back liners and cutting the ends to a 45-degree angle as shown. Once completed, you can set them aside. Next, take the base liner and begin spraying the adhesive to one side. Hold the can about 10 inches away, spraying 1 to 3 layers on the foam until it is evenly coated. Do the same to the interior bottom of your case. Allow these to sit for a moment until the glue becomes tacky. You can test the tackiness by tapping it with your finger. Install the base liner with the adhesive side facing down, folding it slightly to slide it into the case. Press evenly on all corners for best alignment, and slide your hands to remove any air bubbles. Now lay out front and back pieces of your foam that you previously cut to a 45-degree angle. Keep the cut side facing up as seen here. Apply the adhesive to one side of each, again holding the can about 10 inches away and spraying even layers. Do the same to the front and back interior of your case. Let the case and foam sit for a moment to get tacky. Now install the front and back liners. Line up the ends with the curve of the corners by pressing the end of each side down to the case. Then use your hand to make sure the rest of the liner is adhered to the wall with no air bubbles. Next, we'll install the left and right end pieces. Apply an even coating of your spray adhesive to one side of each. Then do the same to the left and right sides of your case, but make sure you spray only in the same shape as the foam liner with the V-shape cutout under the lid strapping. You can pause the video here to see the open space. Once the adhesive is tacky, slide one of your end liners into the case. Align it against the front and back pieces, press into the middle, and run your hands up and down the sides to ensure the entire panel has adhered without air bubbles. Repeat for the other end. Finally, we install the lid liner. Apply your spray adhesive to one side of the foam. Spray the lid of your case in the same shape as your liner. Do not spray all the way to the strapping. The lid panel will adhere fine with less glue than the rest of the case needs. Align your lid liner by touching the top of the strapping with your index finger. This will help you see if it's centered and ensure it's not installed too high or too low. Ideal installation is about a ½ inch between the button and the top of the cutout.